Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Just a few snow flurries coming in from the west. Later on tonight to early tomorrow morning, a few of these will roll in. It's not going to be a big deal, but there'll be a few flakes around. And then the rest of the day is okay. But then the next storm is out here. This will move east, and that's what will bring some snow in time for Sunday. So a few flurries in the morning early, and then a high of 36 before we fall a little bit later on in the day as the winds crank up from the north-northeast ahead of our storm system approaching on Sunday, and off and on snow on Sunday. Temperatures falling though, upper 20s in the morning, dropping to the low 20s by later on in the afternoon as wind chills drop into the single digits at that time, with winds pretty brisk. North-northeast turning to the north-northwest, up around 15 miles an hour sustained, and some of these gusts 20, 30 at times. But the band of heaviest snow, it's kind of separated into two pieces. There's a band of heavy snow down here. Of course, you can see the snow in our area. There's a band of heavier snow on the east coast. The storm will be pretty strong down here in Missouri with 6+ inches of snow, but then it weakens a little bit in parts of the Midwest and Ohio Valley because a new low will reform on the east coast and pull some of that energy and moisture away from it. So that's why there are kind of two pieces to this storm system, and we're looking at 1 to 3 inches of snow from Frankfort to Crawfordsville and Attica. Lafayette right on the line between 1 to 3 and 1 inch or less. Delphi 1 inch or less. Wedemac, Rochester, Logansport, Fowler 1 inch or less of accumulation. Here is the snow coming in. There are the clouds tomorrow afternoon first of all, and tomorrow night, and then Sunday periods of snow coming in. It won't snow all day, but there'll be periods of snow off and on throughout the day that will add up Sunday night, early Monday morning to the accumulations that you just saw. Notice the wind chills early on Monday morning, easily quite a bit below zero. I think a few places up here in our northwest may approach 20 below zero, probably kind of bottoming out around 10 below zero, though, for a good chunk of the viewing area, and still below zero into Tuesday morning as well, and wind chills near zero, if not a little below zero, Wednesday morning. And then comes Thursday. After a couple of flurries and snow showers Tuesday, here's your Thursday system coming in, moving southeastward, band of snow right over the area. This is the one to really keep an eye on because there's consistent data that shows the band of heaviest snow right from Iowa, northern and central Illinois, right into parts of our viewing area. So we've got to keep an eye on that one. And then we may have another round of snow, especially for our northwestern counties, later next weekend. So still active, 7-day forecast, normal highs mid-40s. But only 15 on Monday, the record lowest high temperature for that date, going back to 1879, is 18 set in 2014. 0 Tuesday morning, 19 for the high with a few flakes around, and then, of course, we get the snow on Thursday and into Thursday night. So it looks like January there, but we will flip the switch. I've got a new blog entry on that, a total flip of a warm-up by St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, and for a while I thought winter was kind of over with, and it's back.
Yeah,
Thanks,
it's back.
Chad. Thanks for doing that.
Hey, sure.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
A local thrift